Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
No!
If we play this right, New Zealand, we could be at the middle of this National Alert Level 4. You've done so well making it this far, and the case numbers are starting to hint to us that maybe, just maybe, we are starting to not only flatten the curve, but we're starting on a path to elimination too. So, well done all of you, all of us, because we're all depending upon each other here to do the right thing. And that's where I have to remind you, we are only halfway done here. Don't stop now. Because if you stop now, all your hard work could be for nothing.
No! God, please, no! No!
And we don't want that, so don't go on autopilot back to the way things were. For the next 2 weeks, I really want you to actively choose to keep washing your hands, stay in your bubbles, and make sure you resist the temptation to slacken off because you think the hard work is done. And it really won't make a difference. Because the hard work isn't over yet, and it will make a difference. If everyone chooses to slack off now, then there is a real risk that all our hard work and sacrifice will go to waste. So keep on keeping on, New Zealand. Choose to continue acting in the ways that keep you and everyone else around you safer. Buckle up. We may be halfway there. Keep going, and I'll see you tomorrow because I'm still not going anywhere.